Hello students, welcome to Ishwari Taniksha channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter in science, that is chemical reactions and equations. The first video we are starting with the activity 1.1. So I'll tell you what are the things we are going to concentrate in this video. So two things you have to remember, that is one is you have to focus from examination point of view. Second is you have to focus in terms of knowledge. So what knowledge you have to get from this experiment. So in our video, I'll be telling you, explaining you the concept, and also I'll be telling you what type of questions can be asked and how you have to write the answer for this. So complete knowledge along with the type of questions which will come in your board examination also will be taught in this video. So students, it will be very helpful to you for sure. So if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and also share with maximum number of students. So now let us start activity 1.1. So here in this activity, what you are going to do is you are going to take a magnesium ribbon. So magnesium ribbon will be like this. So after taking this magnesium ribbon, you have to wipe or rub this magnesium ribbon using sandpaper. So why you have to rub this with the sandpaper? Because on the magnesium ribbon, so on the magnesium ribbon, you can see a layer of magnesium oxide will be there. MgO is called as magnesium oxide. So a layer of magnesium oxide will be there. So if a layer of magnesium oxide is there, what will happen? If a layer of magnesium oxide is present on the magnesium ribbon, then it will not react. Therefore, we have to remove this layer of magnesium oxide. How to remove it? Using sandpaper. So take sandpaper and rub the magnesium ribbon so that a layer of magnesium oxide which is present will be removed. So this is the first step we are going to do. Second step is take that magnesium ribbon and burn in the flame. So you can see here there is a burner. So using the burner, we are going to burn this magnesium ribbon. So what is the observation you are going to see? So the observation you are going to see is two things you will see. One is a bright, dazzling white flame you can see. So students, this is a bright light. So seeing this with the naked eye can be dangerous. So therefore precautions should be taken here. So bright, white, dazzling flame you can see. This is one observation. Second observation is you can see white powder. So here you can see white powder will get collected in this watch glass. So we are keeping a watch glass here. So a white powder will get collected here. So what is that white powder? That white powder is nothing but magnesium oxide. So this is the activity we have performed. So now what are the types of questions which can arise from this activity? So let us see now one by one. So first question is, why magnesium ribbon should be rubbed with sandpaper before eating? Because I already said you that a layer of magnesium oxide will be there. So you have to remove this. To remove magnesium oxide layer, we are heating the, we are rubbing the magnesium ribbon. So this is the answer. Second question is, what is the color of the flame? So the color of the flame is white. So very important. So this type of questions will be asked from the activity. Third question, what is the product formed? The product formed is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So can you see this here in the watch glass? So this is the watch glass. So in this watch glass, you can see white powder gets collected. That is called as magnesium oxide. So that is the answer we have written. Next question is fourth. Write chemical formula of the product. So the product here will be magnesium oxide. So this is the product. So what is the formula for this? Formula for this is Mg, magnesium O. So O should be capital. Magnesium oxide is the product form. Next question is, what is the color of the product? The color of the product, that is magnesium oxide, is white in color. It is a white powder. So you will write white. Next, what is the type of chemical reaction taking place? So the type of chemical reaction. So I'll write the reaction so that you will come to know what is the type of chemical reaction. So magnesium is reacting with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So this equation is not balanced. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to balance the equation also. So here oxygen is 2, so you will be writing here 2, and here you can see magnesium again 2, so it becomes 2 here. So if you don't know how to balance now, don't worry, because I'll be doing a separate video on this, how to balance. So this is the equation you will write for this activity. Now the question is, what is the type of chemical reaction taking place? So the type of chemical reaction which is taking place is called as combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction. Meaning is, this is called as reactant. If two or more reactants are present and one product is formed, it is called as chemical combination reaction. So you will write this as combination reaction. Next question is whether it is exothermic or endothermic reaction. Exothermic meaning is heat should be given out. Endothermic meaning is if heat is absorbed from the surrounding, we call it as endothermic reaction. So in this case, you can see large amount of heat is given out. So if it is given out, it is called as exothermic reaction. Exo meaning is giving out. Thermic meaning is heat. So heat is given out. Therefore, this reaction is exothermic reaction. So you will be writing here it as exothermic reaction. Now last product. Last question. Whether the product formed is acidic or basic in nature. So what is the product formed here? The product formed is magnesium oxide. So whether this is acidic or basic in nature, this is basic in nature. So how to find it is basic in nature is, we can do a test with the litmus paper. That is, take red litmus paper. So if you check with red litmus paper will turn into blue litmus paper. So this will indicate that the given product or the product which is formed is basic in nature. So these are the types of questions which can come from the activity. So students, did you like the video? So if you find this video useful, share this video with maximum number of students and also subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next video, students.